How you can boost your YouTube channel visibility with 3 simple tips. Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on every content creator's mind. How do I increase my YouTube channel's visibility? Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, we've got some fantastic tips for you. So let's jump right in. Have you ever wondered why some channels seem to effortlessly attract views and subscribers while others struggle in obscurity? Well, stick around because we're about to reveal the first key to unlocking your channel's visibility. Tip number 1. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Let's talk about the first impression your videos make, the title. Crafting an attention-grabbing title is crucial for getting those clicks. Ask yourself, does your title spark curiosity? Is it clear and concise? A killer title sets the stage for success. The more you make, the easier it gets. Now onto video descriptions, a goldmine for boosting visibility. Are you using relevant keywords to make your content discoverable? The YouTube algorithm loves detailed descriptions, so make sure you're providing value and encouraging viewers to engage. Are you taking notes so far? Great, but we're not done yet. Here's a burning question for you. How can you leverage the power of social media to supercharge your channel's visibility? Stick around to find out. Tip number 2. Harness the power of social media. Don't underestimate the impact of social media on growing your YouTube channel. Share snippets, behind-the-scenes moments, or even teasers on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engage with your audience, build a community, and watch your channel's visibility soar. Remember, it's not just about self-promotion. Join relevant communities, collaborate with fellow creators, and participate in discussions. The more you integrate your channel into the broader online ecosystem, the more visible it becomes. Are you ready for the final tip? Here's a question for you. How consistent are you with your content? The answer might just be the missing piece in your journey to boosting visibility. Tip number 3. Consistency is key. Consistency is the secret sauce of successful YouTube channels. Ask yourself, are you sticking to a regular upload schedule? Consistency builds trust with your audience and signals to the algorithm that your channel is active and reliable. Don't sacrifice quality for quantity, though. Find a balance that works for you and your audience. The more consistently you deliver valuable content, the more likely YouTube will recommend your videos, increasing your channel's visibility over time. There you have it, folks. 3 game-changing tips to skyrocket your YouTube channel's visibility. Remember, optimizing your titles and descriptions, harnessing the power of social media, and maintaining consistency are the keys to success. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments which tip you found most helpful, and don't forget to share your own strategies for boosting visibility. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy creating, and never give up.